Hi there, Di. So I'm here in your car and just to take you through it. So essentially I've brought the wheel all the way to the left, sort of full lock, taken the key out, so you know the steering hasn't locked, the steering lock is on. So you'll hear, as I put the key in, you hear that little click. That's the steering lock coming off as the key goes in. When I take the key out, you hear that second click again. That's the steering lock going on. Now it moves a little bit until you move it enough and you'll see, you know, the lock is on. Since it's going all the way to the left, there is going to be pressure sort of coming on the right hand side of the steering wheel. So when I put the key in, you'll hear the lock is trying to come off multiple times. It comes up with that warning as you've experienced, but that's only because of the pressure on the steering wheel. If I wiggle it a little bit, you'll hear the lock has come off again and I can then start the car. So that's sort of in the extreme cases where you've got a lot of pressure going on the steering wheel. Obviously, when I start the car again and the wheel's in the middle and you've got less pressure, you know, it will start up every single time. And we've tried replicating it, you know, getting the steering lock on deliberately and sort of trying to get into the situation that you've been in, but every single time we've managed to have this car start with no issues. So that's where we are with it. But I hope that sort of gives a bit more clarity in terms of what you're experiencing and sort of what we've tested to try and sort of replicate the fault, but we cannot find one, so that's where we are with it. But thanks for watching the video.